Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Tera Term software. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter Tera Term download and press enter. You'll get this official link. Okay, that is teratermproject.github.io. You need to select on this link. Now on this page, you will be able to see the current latest release for the software. Okay, I'll select this. Now on this page, you need to scroll down. Over here you will find the installer as well as the zip version. We are going to select the installer. It is available for 64-bit, 32-bit as well as ARM64 systems. Okay, so we are going to select the first link and this will download the setup file. Once it is downloaded, you need to click on open. You will get a pop-up, select yes. I'll minimize the web browser, then click on OK. Accept the agreement, click on next. If you want, you can change the installation path, then click on next. We'll go with the default settings, then click on next. If you want, you can change the language from here, then click on next. Click on next. This will create the desktop shortcut. Okay, click on next and click on install. Click on finish. This is the desktop icon for Tera Term software. Okay, we'll double click to launch this, and that's how the interface look. You get terminal, and from where you can provide the inputs to connect to server. So this Tera Term software, it's basically a free terminal emulator supporting SSH and serial connections. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.